You're tracking your calories, eating clean, hitting your workouts, yet the scale won't move. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're not going crazy and you're not failing. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why women sometimes stop losing weight even when they're in a calorie deficit and what you can do to fix it. First, let's go ahead and talk about what I call a false deficit. Sometimes we may think that we're in a deficit, but small tracking errors do add up, like not measuring oils, sauces, and every bite here and there. We just do it. Sometimes without even thinking, we may put something in our mouth and there goes those extra calories, and we forget to track it because we sometimes do it subconsciously that we don't even know that we're actually doing. Even being off by 150 to 200 calories a day can cancel your entire deficit. My tip: track for just a week with precision. Weigh your food, log everything, and then see if you need to adjust. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is known as metabolic adaptation. What is this? It's when you've been in a calorie deficit for too long that your body starts to adapt to it. That means that now it's going to be fewer calories burned, more fatigue, slow recovery. Now this is your body's way of protecting you, not punishing you. That's why I have my clients take a maintenance break every 8 to 12 weeks to reset hunger, hormones, and energy. The scale doesn't just measure fat, it measures everything. Lack of sleep, stress, or your menstrual cycle can also cause temporary water retention that hides progress. So before you panic, check your consistency over the last 3 weeks, not 3 days. Here's what to do if you get stuck. Number 1 is recalculate your calories based on your current weight. 2, you can add 1 extra cardio session or add an additional 2,000 steps per day. 3, focus on lifting heavier instead of just doing more cardio. And number 4, and probably the most important, the one that I would highly recommend to everyone in a calorie deficit, is to be patient. Fat loss isn't linear, especially for us women. Now, if this video hit home for you, make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense fat loss tips for women. I drop new videos every single week to help you feel and look your best without extreme diets or endless cardio. And if you're ready to start your own transformation, make sure you download my total body 8-week workout in the description box below. And remember, you're not stuck. You just need the right plan. See you next week. Bye.